God is saying to you today, my child, I know you are worrying about certain things, maybe about your parents or about your spouse or about your children or about your education or about your job. I know how these things make you stressed. Let me tell you, worrying will never change anything. But your faith in me can change anything. Let me tell you one thing. I will test you to know how much you trust me by using certain things that are in your life. When you are writing an exam, if you don't write the correct answer, you will not pass the test. Later, you will have to write that exam again to pass the test. Even at the time, you must write the correct answer to pass the test. Otherwise, you will again have to write that exam. In the same way, when I test you, I will check how much faith you have in me, how obedient you are to me, how patient you are, and a lot of other things too. If you lack any of these things, I will let those things that you are facing continue. It is because I love you and I need you to have the best. You know that I will never do anything without having a plan. You know that through the things that you are facing, I will shape you, mold you, and prepare you towards the blessing that I have for you. So instead of focusing more on the things that are happening in your life, try to focus more on me. Have faith in me. I will turn your sorrow into the greatest joy.